Hello there. So you want to know how you can check the hygiene of a restaurant that you're ordering from on Zomato? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and find one of the restaurants you want to order from. And now all you need to do is on the top, as you can see, it says 560 or 527 ratings, and tap on that. As you can see, overall rating by 527 people for Ceste Pizzeria is 4.1 stars. Now that is a pretty good one. However, you want to go ahead and double check it on the browser that you're using. So let me just go ahead and search for it. Ceste Pizzeria right over here. And now as you can see, if I go ahead and tap on this, as you can see, this also has more than 4.1 rating on Google as well, which makes it a good candidate that I can order from. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like